Okay, so I should be live soon. I'm not sure if I'm live yet. Okay, so let me just adjust some YouTube settings and then I'll begin. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so the goal is to create a background for my stream. So let's just delete the cube. Start off with a plane. So add mesh plane. Okay, so this is currently our starting point. We just have this plane. So my idea is that I just make this plane big and then like make this like wavy, like low poly background. So yeah. For this we have to let's maybe like 10. Yeah, that would maybe like let's just stretch it. So which axis do I want to stretch it? Like SX, SO, SY, SY 1.6. Okay, so now it's like 16:9 aspect ratio. So we have something that we could use. So wait a minute, just a tiny bit. So let's just adjust the resolution. So when I render it, I like to render it in just some high resolution, but I think since like all, so I can just rerun it all the time. Let's just go with like 4K, my normal streaming resolution. So, but it's at least like it's a bit more compression and more bit depth. Okay, so we have this plane now. Let's get the camera in the correct position. So we need to leave the edit mode and go back to object mode. Okay, so let's zero out all the angles so it's like looks just plain down. And now I need to rotate it on this axis. So let's just do a perfect 90 on it. Like let's just write a 90. And let's put it at 0, 0, 0. So now it's exactly at the start. And now let's just, the fuck are we doing? That's not what I want. What I want is, I'm not sure. That's what I wanted. If you press Control, um, by pushing something up in Blender, it goes like in smooth, like one block, like one unit step. So you just see like how it like goes up. So if you press 0, then we can just look at our camera picture, and now we can just like zoom it. And for some reason, it's not perfectly 16:9, but oh yeah, of course it's not 16:9 because I typed in 1.6, but I would have to type it in on the other axis, but it's pretty close, and it's these small edges are actually not a problem, but still let's just get as much as we can. Okay, so we have our camera position and we can actually just pipe out the render. So you're not seeing it correctly, so let's just show you my whole monitor. And that's the render output. So we got a small render output, but it's like not really great. Like, yeah, of course, but at least it works. So we know that it works, and it means that we can continue. So we already have a starting point. And so let's just get rid of it. And if I try to render it again, yeah, we just get like this grayish square. That's perfect for now at least. So now we actually just need to do the modeling. So let's just select this, go into edit mode so we can edit it, and now let's just look for the knife. There's our knife. So we're just gonna insert like some random cuts, like they don't need to like what I'm currently trying to do, they don't need to make like sense at all. They just need to be like really random lip uh, like yeah. But the one thing that I actually just want is to make sure that we only get like triangles so that we don't get like with other shapes. Yeah. So yeah, in this case we just do a lot of left clicks. Ah, yeah. I should have cut it because now I have to like recut it, which is not that nice. Oh man, I completely forgot. How do I like that's not what I wanted. Wait. Just do a test. Okay, so I press enter when I'm done. I just forgot it from last time. Okay, so yeah, we only have triangles. Okay, so we need to insert like way more triangles, like. And yeah, that's basically most of the work is just like inserting triangles. Okay, so it looks like there are triangles. I really don't like this place here. So let's just to the select tool. Right. Okay, because that was like a really ugly point there. Really ugly. Okay, so let's just continue with my knife. I don't know. I'm not really satisfied with this, so like there are a lot of like just delete this whole mess. Add new plane as 10. That's right, 1.6. So things I want them kind of more uniform. So yeah, let's just use a subdivider instead of like making randomly. It doesn't look as I wanted it to look. Okay, where's the subdivider? Where guys? Please do not do it. Okay, simple. Subdivision. Yeah, so yeah, subdivide. Make it like that. Straight cuts, yeah. Now select all. And where is this triangulator? Triangulate. So why don't I have an apply button? Let's just try it again. There's triangulate. Generate, maybe deform. No, that's not it. Okay, so now, so I can't apply it in edit mode. Okay, that's weird. For some reason, it decided to do this kind of differently on some of the points. Yeah, I can only do it here. So then let's switch to wireframe so we can actually see what's going on. So this beauty is like really weird. It's like okay, so now let's get the subdivision. Okay, this one doesn't like to show itself for some reason. Go back here. Okay, subdivide at the other axis. Hmm. Okay, why can't I undo this change? Like, weird. Can I just decimate it to 1 to get it back? But oh yeah, I can kind of get it back. I could also try to subdivide and then not create any angles. Okay, that's not doing it either. Or I could just do it now. Okay, so it's one of the colors kind of fucked up, I guess. It's be like somewhere like here. And I really don't know where it is that it doesn't like. Okay, so now, it's kind of like as I wanted it. But the scale is like kind of wrong. So let's just make this scale Y. Oh, what's the... So... Just calculate it, because I said 1.6. So I now need to divide by 1.6. So 1 divided by 1.6 is 0.625. So I need to set it at... where is it? SY 0.625. Yeah, no, it's perfectly square again. So now let's subdivide it again. Yeah, now it's doing it like I wanted. Kinda, it does not fully do what I want. So, yeah, I need to slice it maybe with a loop cut. Otherwise, 0.625. No, I don't really like how it is, does like the inner things. So, like it does these kind of rings, and this ring should not be there. There's triangulate it. No, I cannot triangulate it even more. That's not how it works. But Well, let's just try it with a knife. What the fuck did I just do? That's... yeah, kind of. Maybe it likes it now. Now it's just got even more interesting shapes. So there I may have fucked up, but the other ones are like kind of still weird. Um, fuck. Okay, so let's just hope that it is able to continue. No. In the same fashion, no, it does not really want it, or... oh no, it just does this thing all over again. Weird. If I try to do it smoothly, it doesn't care. There has to be a modifier for this. Ah, yeah, probably that's it. Right. So, yep, that's pretty much what I want, but in the other direction as well. I would more likely do this, but can you just like do it in both? Doesn't really seem like it. Okay. Then let's just make it just one tall again. And then let's just see. I think I need to have 2 arrays. Or maybe it's built. What I want. So yeah, basically I'm just trying things out currently. Now at another array, this will multiply our other axis. So let's just see. Count 10. And this one does it in the other axis. This one does it. So let's have this one. Wait, then this would. Yeah, that's kind of what I want. Okay, so that's looking way better now. Okay, so this should be like something like 8. Yeah. Like, so this now just looks perfectly at it. Okay, so now that we have got a good, I would just say like, just randomize it. But I could also try some patterns on it, so yeah. Okay, my mouse just does not wanna. Either my mouse or blender is just fucked up. Okay, it works again now. Okay, so there should be like modifier for it. Should be like kind of randomized or something like that. That's not really what I wanted. So for some reason it when I did the area, my things were not joined together. So now they all just act on their own. Either that or this is just, yep. Ah, fuck, how do I redo it? Well, it doesn't want now. So, ah yeah, that's probably what I forgot, I guess. Should I just do a test? Like, let's make it 9 and go back to object mode and now apply. Then go back to edit mode and now just try to do stuff like that. And this means that now it's correctly merged. So we already did it by 9, so now just do it by 16, but in the other axis. And merge, distance 0, apply. And now we have our thingy. So let's just move the camera. It was like 8 and 15, I guess. Yeah. That's weird. So they kinda stick together. Not that not all points are sticking together. That's pretty weird. So there's still some problems with merging. So let's just go back to edit mode and test it, because it seems like those middle pieces are like causing it somewhere. Let's just try randomize this strip only. There. So well, let's see it here. Yeah, there are these holes that we do not want. So let's try this. Yeah, it isn't merged there. It's merged here. Oh, okay, so here's a limit where they should. So let's just try a large limit. And then go back to, okay. Now it really destroyed it. What happens if I... Ah, now I get what it does. It's try to merge it with the parts down below. Let's try it like this. And now go up to 9. Now check if everything is merged correctly, because these were the parts, yeah, that were not matched correctly, and now it seems like they are matched. So let's just try and randomize them. So yeah, it looks horrible because it's like the extreme button. Yeah, it works. So we can go back to our array, do it in the other direction, merge 0.05, count 16. Yeah, and now we should get a working field. Yeah, I'm just let it be here. Let's first try to do this thing. Oh, I'm on camera. Okay, so go back. Now just randomize it. But not that much, like 0.05. Oh yeah, that's definitely what I want. So I only want I to do the height. So the height should be pretty random. So we got like a way of these triangles. Like, it's kind of sad that I can't find this as a modifier. Like, um, let's just quit it. Maybe there's like a simple deform and paper stretch. No, that's not what I want. That's not what I want either. So let's see. Mesh deform. Hmm. Let's just quickly Google like okay, there's display thingy. That's really giving me what I want, but I don't have a vertex group either, so yeah, let's just do randomize for now. So this looks kind of okay, I guess. Now move the camera to like. I thought I moved the camera. Oh, yeah, I'm still in edit mode. Wait. Okay, yeah. Now I'm only moving the camera. And 15. And if I do a render now, it should. Okay, let's go back to OBS. So where is it? Monitor 0, yeah. So you can see that there is this pattern, but it's like extremely dark because we have no light at all. Like, yeah, of course we have no light at all. So we need some light and we need some color, maybe some texture. But first we need some light. So let's add some lights. First, let's try a point or a spotlight. Let's just try a spotlight because we can, like, let's just try it. Get it maybe a bit higher. 815, maybe like that. Now go to the light settings. Where are they? Here. Really increase it, increase the size. Let's see. How does it look? Pretty dark to be honest. So let's give it like 1 kilowatt of power. Now it's way brighter. We can still see that there's like there's pretty dark and everything's pretty dark, but um it's basically what I wanted, just like not done. So at least we're headed in the correct direction. Size, I think I should increase it like so. Let's just make it like 10 kilowatt. And yeah. Hmm. Yeah, looks kind of nice. So I'm more of a fan of like a blue texture. So let's just go back to our plane. Okay. Let's just rename it like randomized mesh. So let's create a material for that. Basically, let's make it like kind of bluish. Make it a bit more white. Make the surface really rough. And yeah, let's just try it again. So that's already looking quite good for a stream background. Okay, so should I maybe do something or should I just stop here? Like I feel like I should at least try some textures. Mm, let's see, what kind of options do I have left? So just for fun, let's try and make it like really metallic. I know if I can make it really metallic and rough at the same time, and it looks like it looks really weird. So let's just not do that. Okay. Mm, I know, should I try and maybe smooth out the lighting a little bit? I know, I just want to try it. Area, let's make like same location, 8, 15, 20. So the size would be like pretty huge, I guess, if I go here. Size like 20. Oh, this be even bigger. 30, 40. That needs like definitely like 100, like at least 10k kilowatts of power. Okay, now it's like too bright, but that means that we can just reduce it to like 5 up to 3. Let's maybe make the cone a little bit wider. Make like 4, and this one like 3. Yeah, more like this. The weird thing is, let's just look here in the corner. There's like this small thingy. So let's just bring the camera down like a tiny bit. Let's go to 0. And here, like, let's go and zoom it a little bit. So when we do it now, we should get like, yeah, completely smooth on us. Okay, so I need to just black out thing for shot 5. Mm. Okay, so let's just get it back. Yeah. So what I wanna try is with a texture. So yeah, I have prepared a little bit. So let's just create it. Oh yeah, I see that the tracking probably didn't work for like half an hour or even longer. So just see what kind of things we can make here. So let's just try some like rough texture. Mm, That's not really what I'm after. Maybe if I make like gigantic. What? The weird thing is, if I just make like this, it's like spinning. Ah, so it's following the direction of the cursor. Oh, I get it. Can I please cancel this? Okay, it's like something different. Like, why does it take so long for a single brush? Like, can I just cancel it, please. Please. Okay, fine. Yeah, brush was just like way faster. Maybe it's just faster because it's so small. So let's just, yeah. If I like up the size of pretty much everything is like really slow. Yeah. Let's just see. Is there any other maybe thing I like? Otherwise, it's like I think I'm probably just gonna leave it. Yeah, let's just leave it as it is. Okay, so now let's go back to the render. So let's just set the path. And then let's just do a render. So maybe anything I need to do. No, it's, I think it's, I need to press F12 now. F12 or F, wait, start and end is this, that, yeah. I just want to have a single picture, so well, can I just save the single picture here? Image. Oh yeah. Let's just do the animation thing because I already set the path. Okay, so you guys don't see. It's done the render now. And I guess I'll just wait till it's done. Okay, so let's see, did it create a file? So yeah, it created the file. So let's just do some stuff. Here, and you'll see it soon as the background. Yeah, I think that's not the only thing you see, the background. Let's just put the background like completely down. Deactivate the monitor. Yeah, and if I have anything that does not cover up everything, I can just like make it like this, and now I have a background. Yay! So yeah, maybe in the future I'll try out some textures and stuff, but basically what this was just like experimenting a little bit and just trying out a bit more Blender and creating a stream background at the same time. So yep, I think I'm done